Melissa. I just want to record a video and see if I could help you a little bit with the math. But before we do, I want to remind you, you are doing such a good job with V-Learning. I have been impressed at how responsible you are. You are always emailing me with questions, and it really shows me that you're working hard. So we're going to look at the math, but remember, if we don't get everything, it's okay. I really like to see that you're trying everything, and when we're back in school, we'll figure it out. If someone in your family can help you with the math, that's great. But for now, you just keep trying, and I'm really proud of all the hard work you've done. Okay, so on your class kick, I saw that you were using some models to help you. And let me see if I can actually write on the screen here to help us. This little chart right here is going to be really important. So I think we should kind of start our learning looking at the IXL a little bit. So I'm going to switch over to the IXL page. And this is the type of question you see at the beginning. It kind of asks you like, which is more, right? 1 mile or 4,595 feet. Now, I know you've been working on your IXL and you're past this level, but remember that little chart on our class kick is going to help us. I'm going to see how many feet are in just 1 mile. Let's see. Okay, in just 1 mile, whoa, over 5,000 feet in just 1 mile? So that must mean 5,000 feet in 1 mile. This is way less, right? So 1 mile is more. Come on, IXL. We got it. Okay, now here we get to some of those conversions. So this is kind of like the question that you were confused on that Ms. Bainbridge wrote about like how far from her couch, right? So it says, which is more, 6 feet or 1 yard? Okay, so let's see, 6 feet, okay? But how many yards are in, or how many feet are in 1 yard? So again, I'm going to go to that little table here. Okay, I'm looking at yards and feet. So I chose this one because it has yards and feet. It wasn't asking about inches, right? Okay, yards and feet. In 1 yard, there is 3 feet. So what I'm going to do on my IXL, this one's already in feet. I want them to be both in feet. I could put them both in the yards. It doesn't matter. Well, let's see. Let's put them both into feet. I'm going to try to draw. I'm learning new how to do this. Okay. All right. So in 1 yard, we saw that that equals 3. I'm clearly not good at drawing on this. 3 feet, right? That's supposed to be an equals. Well, now I can see 6 feet is more than 3 feet, right? Gotta get my mouse back. Let's look at one more for right now. Okay. 1 foot. Oh, I can just go to that chart, right? 1 foot is 12 inches. Okay, let's go there. 1 yard, or how many yards for 36 inches? Okay, so now we know inches are small. Yards are bigger. Yards are, you can't see both of my hands in this, but yards are like 3 feet. So your desk at school like is about a yard. Like think about the 4th grade desks, okay? So inches are tiny. Inches are like this big. So I know it would be less yards because they're bigger than 36. So let's use our chart one last time. Okay, we want something that has, let's see, yards and inches, right? Okay. Oh no, this one has inches but not yards. This one has yards but not inches. So we actually need to use 2 of them. First, we're going to go from inches to feet, and then we can go from feet to yards, okay? That's why these are getting tricky because you have to do 2 steps. All right, so first I'm going to go from inches to feet. Okay, I'm going to turn it into feet. So I have 36 inches. I want to know how many feet that is first. So if I have 36, I want to put that into groups of 12 because 12 inches fits in 1 foot. So I'm going to take my 36. Thanks for being patient while I learn how to do this. And I'm going to divide it into groups of 12. Now, if you want to do like 12 circles and put 36 dots in all of them, that works too. And honestly, use the calculator on your Chromebook. It's okay to do because you still have to figure out, what equation to put in the calculator. Okay, if I do 36 divided by 12, we're going to end up with, let's see, 3. Okay? So 36 divided by 12 gave us 3. That means in 36 inches, if we split them into groups of 12, because there's 12 inches in 1 foot, that makes 3 feet. So sorry, that just moved, but it's kind of best to label it with feet, okay? Now, we're not done. We know that we still need, if we have 36 inches, sorry, my writing is all messed up here. Goes 3 feet. Remember, sorry, Melissa, this is really rough. Does it want feet? No, it wants yards. So let's see. How many feet are in 1 yard? Let's look back at that thing one more time. Okay, this is good. 3 feet in 1 yard. And we had 3 feet, right? So it must make 1 yard. And we got it, okay? So if I was you, I would just start there. Why don't you keep working on your IXL? If you get it wrong, it's okay. Read what it says. We'll do a few more together tomorrow. And you can try some of the other Z skills on IXL. That might help, okay? I'm going to look for some other things that I can find, maybe some different IXL skills at other levels so we can like work our way up to help you, and I'll email that to you tonight. But please remember, you're doing so good, okay? Don't get stressed out. I'm really proud of you. All right, girlie, I hope I can see you soon in the classroom. You have a good night.